You can track and trace your shipment by clicking on the track and trace icon directly from the shipment overview feature or by providing the BL number of your shipment on the track and trace page itself. Get complete visibility of your cargo movement during the completion of every milestone. Never miss an important update about your shipment with our Keep Me Informed feature by submitting your email ID for track and trace updates.